Fort Catawba River will likely inundate portions of Riverside Drive with several inches of water. The pumping station at Far Yarns in McAdamville may begin to flood. Additional details: at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday, the stage was 9.1 feet and rapidly rising. Bankful stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 11.4 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Thursday morning. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 11.5 feet on September 9th, 2004. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Caution is urged when walking near riverbanks. For detailed information including observed and forecast stages, flood impacts, flood history, FEMA flood hazard layers, and more, please visit https://water.weather.gov/